Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a lovely chicken bake with broccoli and a homemade quick pesto. It's really easy to make, to put together. It's low carb, keto, ARP, paleo friendly. It's a really good recipe, a really good dinner to enjoy, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. So let me talk you through quickly all the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. So I've got a good 700 gram pack of chicken thighs here. You could use more if you're going to feed more family. We're a family of 4. I find this to be perfect for us. And I'm gonna pop broccoli in with my chicken, so it's gonna be a nice chicken and broccoli bake. And now for the sauce, I'm gonna whip up a quick pesto, and I shared a recipe recently for broccoli pesto, but I'm just gonna skip the broccoli and we're gonna blitz together some basil, salt, olive oil, lemon and garlic to make a lovely sauce to enjoy with our chicken. So we're gonna get on and prep the sauce first. Okay, I'm going to use my NutriBullet to prepare my pesto dressing. I'm just going to add all the ingredients one by one, starting with the basil. I've got the basil, the whole bag over here. I'm just going to wash it and pop it into the cup. Okay, washed all that basil, we'll pop that in there, and I just remembered probably a good idea to start preheating the oven. So I've got it on to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and I've also got my roasting dish out here as well for when I'm ready. Next we'll add in olive oil, go for 3-4 tablespoons. I'll go probably 4 to 3 and 4. A couple of generous shakes of salt, and next we'll see to the lemon. I'm going to grate over the zest and use half of the juice of this lemon. Okay, we'll just grate zest over. And we'll squeeze over the juice of half of the lemon. Do it over a sieve so we catch any pips. And for the garlic, I've got 2 huge cloves that I've chopped into quarters, and we've lost one of the little bits over there. It's alright. So I've got 2 huge cloves I've chopped into quarters, and that's going to be our pesto sauce, and we'll just mix it up. Just pop on the lid and get it on to blend. Okay, we'll pop it on to blend now. There we go, we've got our pesto. Now we'll just pop everything together. Okay, I've popped the chicken into my baking dish, and we're going to pour over the pesto that we just made. It's luminous green, isn't it? And we're going to give it a good toss through and spin around all the chicken pieces so it's completely coated in all that lovely pesto sauce. Now you could of course use any pesto you like. You can definitely use jar bought, but I'm on ARP diet, and pretty much all the ingredients in a jar bought pesto I can't have. I can't have parmesan, I can't have nuts, so I just thought to whip up my own one. And yeah, it's come out really nice. Just to get them all coated in the green sauce. But don't worry about the sauce going everywhere. What I'm going to do is kind of dot the dish with the broccoli and maybe other vegetables too. I just kind of thought I'd start with this, have the chicken all kind of distributed in every corner of the dish, and then we'll fill in all the blanks with broccoli and other vegetables. Okay, chicken's all in there. We're just going to fill in all the little blanks, pop broccoli pieces in between, so it's just a big green bake. I love color-coded meal like this. I do like eating the rainbow, but sometimes it's just fun to have all of one color, and we've got all the green goodness here. Doesn't that look pretty good? You could definitely leave it like that, but I want to kind of squeeze a bit more veg in. I did say I like to color code, so I'm going for 1 zucchini or courgette that I've really roughly chopped, and we're just going to pop it in between as well, so there's just even more veggies to go around. So I've got all the veggies in. I've actually just flipped the chicken over so it's got the underside cooking first, and popped a bit of more salt on top of everything, all the veggies, the lovely zucchini and broccoli, and it's going to go into the oven for 25 minutes, and then we'll flip it over and we'll give it another 20 minutes to get the skin nice and crisp and all those veggies cooked. So it'll go in the oven and I'll show you once it's done. It's been in the oven for 25 minutes. The house smells pretty amazing. This smells so good. It looks so green. I'm just going to flip everything over and pop it back into the oven for a final 20 minutes. And the chicken is out of the oven. It looks beautiful and crispy, and all the veg too look wonderfully cooked, and it's just such a wonderful healing meal to enjoy, whether you're low carb, keto, AIP, paleo. It's just one lovely dish for all. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with a full recipe that you can pin, bookmark and save. And there's also ideas for adaptations down there too, so check it out. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.